Thank you for following this tutorial on how to configure a password format control policy for a specific application. Indeed, Evidian Enterprise SSO allows you to control the strength of passwords. You can configure your PFCPs to apply to all or part of your applications. In this video, I will show you how to configure a new PFCP for a given application. The application used in this tutorial is Simubo. From the Enterprise Access Management console, it is possible to apply a specific password policy to an application. The day a user must change his password, he will have to respect the password complexity defined for the targeted application. So open your EAM console and go to the Account and Access Right Management menu. For the purpose of this training, we have created an application in our Administrator console for our Simubo application, from which we have linked the associated technical definition. In order to apply a specific PFCP, linking an application profile is mandatory. The PFCPs created in our application security objects don't meet the requirements for our environment. Therefore, let's create a new one we can link to our future application profile. You can use any PFCP, but for the purpose of this training, we will create one specifically for our Simubo application. So right-click in the application security objects and select New Password Control Policy. From there, we'll set the complexity level of our PFCP. Let's apply. Now that our PFCP has been created, right-click in the Application Security Objects folder and create a new application profile. In the configuration window, under the General Configuration, select the newly created PFCP. From this configuration menu, you can also define the password generation policy. The password generation policy allows you to define whether the user chooses his own new password or if it is randomly generated by the solution. Moreover, you can set a lifecycle for your passwords and the password history size, avoiding users to enter the same password twice when the password lifecycle has ended. You can also exclude certain passwords your users might enter, like the name of your company, for example. Back to my application profile, select the Simubo application. Go to Configuration and select the SSO tab. In the Access Strategies menu, click on Add to add in your new application profile. Once that's done, go to the User Access menu and edit the application's access. Click in the Application Profile field so that it displays the application profiles available for this application. Select the new application profile and click Apply. Refresh the workstation on which you have the EAM client installed. Now that we have finished configuring our PFCP for Simubo, let's try to see if it works. So on the workstation, I'll open my application. I must log in first before I change my password. The SSO logs into the application. Now, I'll try changing my password. The ESSO window appears, prompting me for my new password. Note that password generation can be done automatically by the solution, without the user having to know the password. As you can see, the password format corresponds to the newly created one. I must respect it in order to have my password validated by the solution. My new password has been applied. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You should now be able to create your own application profiles and link it to specific applications in order to make sure your users respect your security policies.